children laughing and splashing, several lifeguards, including my daughter, sitting on her throne of peace and tranquility. Pool Wonderland has some new rules this summer. No going down the water slide with a child in your lap. No non-swimwear in the pool. If you happen to require a head covering of any kind, it must be swimwear material. It's an important detail for later. Scene 1. Karen. KH, take Junior down the water slide. Sure thing, KH says. Lifeguard atop the slide. Sorry, sir, no children riding in your lap. We do apologize. New rule this year. Hey, no problem, he says. Junior's disappointed, but not an unruly little thing. Karen then says, what the F? That's rude! Junior's now beginning to cry, as I assume this tone signals that, once again, Mama's gonna lose it. KH says, no big deal. Karen now is addressing the lifeguard as to why her son can't go down the water slide with his dad. LG explains the rules to Karen. Karen doesn't like it, but complies in a huff. Scene 2. Innocent family shows up and orders pizza. They have a small family birthday party which was scheduled in advance with tables reserved. Many of the women are wearing what I understand to be Muslim swimwear, appropriate fabric for the pool, and covers much of the body, including a hijab. Please don't jump on me if anything I said was ignorant or incorrect about the religion or the names. I'm merely trying to paint a picture. I mean, no offense, and hope none is taken, but polite corrections or constructive comments are always welcome. So Innocent family decides to get in the pool. Karen also gets in the pool wearing a t-shirt and some shorts. LG. Ma'am, I'm sorry, but you'll have to get out of the pool. You can't wear that in the water. Excuse me, I pay for the privilege to swim here. You cannot tell me what to wear. It's a new rule this year. We can't allow people to wear cotton fibers in the water because it messes up the plumbing. What about them, she says, disgustedly referring to the ladies in the Innocent family. If I have to get out, so do they. The lifeguard now realizes she's dealing with the racist. Ma'am, they're wearing swimwear. You are not. Well, we'll see about that. At this point, Karen is now being told by the lifeguard supervisor on duty, being told the same thing. Nice try, Karen. Scene 3. Pizza arrives. There are 4, and drinks, and breadsticks. Karen gets up and takes the pizza, which I assume was paid for already as no money changed hands. Not even for a tip. Karen juggles all this to her table and sticks her legs in the water at the side of the pool. Another pizza arrives, and the Innocent family is approached by a lifeguard as if they were expecting a delivery. Innocent family says, no, that's not ours. We ordered 4 pizzas and drinks and breadsticks from not that pizza place. The lifeguard looks around and sees 4 pizzas and drinks and breadsticks on Karen's table. Lifeguard to Innocent family. I bet I know who this belongs to. Let me help you. She's thrilled after Karen's been such a nasty bee. She didn't even say anything. The lifeguard walked to the table, set the pizza down, and helped the Innocent family carry the 4 pizzas and drinks and breadsticks. Karen, excuse me, where do you think you're going with our food? Lifeguard, this isn't your pizza, ma'am. She has the order on her phone matching the pizza place and the order. Your pizza was delivered a moment ago and is on your table. Karen glances back in confusion. It wasn't even the same damn delivery place. Covering her embarrassment with pure rage, now yelling at the lifeguard and demanding the police be called. Why would you call the police, the lifeguard says. You've been harassing me all day, and I know you've been staring at my son. I've lived here for years, and I'm going to the HOA board to have you fired. The lifeguard laughs nervously and turns and walks back to her stand. My daughter has bad anxiety, and for years she's perfected a stonewall exterior where you'll think she doesn't care, but she'll cry later because, she's human. Karen's trailing behind, yelling expletives now. Karen proceeds to use her phone camera to video my daughter, hoping to catch her doing what, I don't even know what. She's literally paid to watch and scan patrons of the pool. That's most of your job as a lifeguard. By the end of the day, the police had been called because Karen insisted that the staff was out of line. Karen's disruptive behavior has actually bothered other patrons, mostly the Innocent family, as ugly comments about swimwear were overheard and made them uncomfortable. It was following guards and taking cell phone video that actually got Karen and her family kicked out. Many lifeguards are minors, and this made the staff uncomfortable, not to mention it's ludicrous to be distracting a first responder from their job. Karen did not return to the pool for the remainder of the summer. Not because she was banned. Hopefully she went home and looked in the mirror and was too embarrassed by her behavior.